good Halloween decoration. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs right now. We're just seeing if Theo likes these sweet potatoes. Oh, Theo, that's a little distracting, isn't it?
Come here. Come help me.
You have them on your face. Oh. Oh, do you like those? What do you think? Felix.
Those they're that good. You want some more? I got some more right here. You want it?
You don't have to eat your bit, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, oh. Xavier.
You want some sweet potatoes too?
No.
Why not?
I don't want.
Look at your brother's smiling at you, trying to cheer you up. Look at he's blowing bubbles, trying to cheer you up.
Felix, go. Open up. Open up, buddy.
Let's see. Let's see. Get him to move his hand. He's got like a death grip on him. Felix. Stop. Yeah.
Yeah, their brother. Xavier, how do you feel about sweet potatoes?
Do you like sweet potatoes?